Good morning. Yesterday we wrote new words and its meaning of the chapter watering rhyme. So today we are continuing the textbook activity. So today we have going to write the question and answer. So you have to write this question and answer in your notebook itself. Question number 1. What is the best time to water the plants? Answer. The best time to water the plants is early in the morning or the evening hour. Question number 2. When should we not water the plants? Answer. We should not water the plants at noonday. Question number 3. Which part of the plant should be watered? Answer. We should water the roots so that the plants grows healthy. Next textual activity, page number 132. Question number 1. Place letters in their right order to form the names of flowers. So, there is some jumbled words are there, so you have to write properly. So first one sweet pea. First one is sweet pea, SWEETPEA. Second one marigold. Third one jasmine. Next is lotus, mogra, dahlia, phlox, PHLOX. Then pansy, hibiscus. Then next one is, there is a grid and some words are given there in blue color. So you have to find out that words into that grid. That you have to do the textbook itself. Next one, let us talk. Question number 1. Do you have a garden at home? Yes, I have a garden at home. If your answer is no, you can write no. In my home, there is no garden. Name some flowers which grows in your garden or nearby in your house. That you can write. Then the third word, give another word for thirsty feet. Thirsty feet means here roots. Okay, roots. Next one, what happens when we water the plants in the morning? They will grow well. Question number 5, where do flowers get waters? From the bottom. And listen, the question number 3, thirsty feet means you have to write the answer roots. Okay, give another word for thirsty feet means you have to write the answer root. Here is parched feet, but you have to write answer is root. Okay, next one, say aloud. Next one, pick out the silent letters from these words. So, our, night, wrong, doubt, often, no, night, could, right, knife, hide, walk. So, you have to use your pencil and cut that particular word, silent word. Okay. Then write rhyming words for the word given below. One has been done for you. First one is morning. Answer is evening. Next one is car. You already know what is rhyming words and you can write your own, otherwise you can copy this one. Car, far, bar. High, sigh, sky, anything. Boots, roots. Heat, beats, were, here. So you can write your own. Then words like morning, evening, watering, that is end with ing. Write 6 some more words to which ing can be added at the end from the new words. So you can write ending you can use ing. So you can write playing, jumping, singing, laughing, going, cooking. Anything you can write at the end is ing. Okay. So here is answer: accepting, lightening, frightening, killing, burning, amazing. This also you can write. Next one is look for words in the poem which sounds like the words given below. So here is some words are there. So you can write the same word, same pronunciation. So answer is are, there, flower, were, sun, true. Okay. Then next one. In the sentence below, the capital letters, commas, full stop, and question marks are missing. Put these into the correct place. So this is punctuation. You already learned. First you have to try yourself. Then after copy this one. Okay. The answer is on Monday I will go to school. Second one, Rahim, Ravi, and Raju are going to see the circus. Sita, where are you looking? The Tyler went to the market. Mr. Singh, every Sunday I go for walk, have breakfast, read storybook, listen to music, and watch television. Next one, Lakshmi, why are you crying? Next one, what is the color of the sky? Next one, orange, mangoes, bananas, and papayas are fruits. Then the last one, write a story about a plant that is in danger. Write about how you might help to save it. Be sure the story has beginning, a middle, and an end. So this is a work for you. So you have to write a story that is about a plant, and that plant is in a dangerous condition, and you are trying to help to save that plant. Okay, but be careful. That story has a beginning, a middle, and an end. Okay, so here I would like to give one story, and this story you have to write in your notebook itself. Okay, so if you try yourself first, then after that you didn't get, then copy this one. Okay, I'm not reading this one. This is a simple story, so you can copy this one. Next one is prepare a speech. So here, prepare a speech. Prepare a speech giving some reason why it is important to protect flowers and plants. The theme of the speech is protect, the importance to protect flowers and plants. And include that you could help protect, engage the plants in your school. So, I'm giving the answer, protect plants. Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends, this morning I would like to briefly express the importance to protect flowers and plants. Flowers and plants are important to us because they help to purify the atmosphere. They give us oxygen, take in carbon dioxide in some of the plants like neem, tulsi, etc. So this also you can write in your notebook itself. Okay, so this is your textbook activities. So you can write your own. First you try to your own, then only you can copy this one, especially the speech and the story. Speech and story you have to write in your notebook. Okay, and question answer also. Question answer, speech, and story you can write in your notebook. Others you can write in your textbook itself. Okay, thank you.